In front of me is OnePlus CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can access apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Privacy section. Click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you, allow or don't allow. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Booking just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always pick any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage and click on See All Permissions at the bottom to manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!